Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. I have a few things to say. First, I'll be starting my exams on Monday, so I'm still reading and doing some and second, I haven't gotten a niche yet. I literally don't know what to talk about on this channel. I just want to do something. But I'll figure that out after the exams because I'll be staying behind after I finish my exams. I'm not going home yet, so if you want to like this video, if you love what you just heard, comment whatever you think I need or I should improve on, and subscribe to the channel, and also share to other people that might be interested in stuff like this. You know the vibe. Peace out. Now I'm finally done with my exams. 4 weeks ago I talked about not having a niche, not having what to say. Like I was saying, I don't really have what to do. But currently I thought of a niche because I love the idea of being productive and also tech at the same time. So why not combine the two and let's see how it works. Do you understand me? So I get the productivity part from Ali Abdal. I don't know if you guys know. And I get the tech part from Mr. Who's the Boss. So we'll get productive together through technology, by the means of technology. You understand me? So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'm Onide Farouk, and I'll see you guys in the first official video.